Hi there, how's everyone doing? I wanted to send a quick video home just to talk about something you're going to see in your child's homework bag tonight. And just to make sure we're clear and everybody's on the same page. You will see a packet in your kid's handwriting or in your kid's homework bag of some handwriting sheets. Okay. This is not mandatory homework. I'm at the time of year where I want to reinforce, kids writing the letters the correct way, working on being a little bit neater, and not rushing through their work. um, my incentive was if they each do every time they do a page, and on the page they'd have to trace the first one, trace the second one, trace the third one, and do five more on the line with a finger space between each one. If they do a full page and they bring it back, I give them two mic nights. They want candy, I want neat handwriting, so it seemed like a natural relationship that would come together and make everybody happy. So that's the route I'm going to go on that. What I don't want is I don't want kids sitting down and doing 6 sheets in a night because they'll rush. And if they have one letter that's floating or not on the line, I told them they don't get to Mike. What I want to do is show them that they can do it really neatly and then hold them accountable within their work when they're writing as well. So it's my way of trying to get them to focus on that a little bit without taking class time of just going over direct instruction with it again because I feel they know it and I just want to kind of hit home what they know and what they should be doing, the expectation. If you have any questions, let me know, but please keep it in your kids' backpack or in their homework bag in their backpack so that I can check it each day when they come in if they want to show me. If you have, like I said, if you need anything, let me know. As far as Valentine's Day, I put on the blog on Friday the class list and all that. I've heard some kids say that they are going to send in, bring in some kind of treat, and that's fine. If there's nuts in it, I need to know. If it can be nut free, that's wonderful. But if you make something and you're not sure, just please get the ingredients and send them to Clayton or I so we can check it over. That's it for now, and I'll talk to you later.